Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A group of students from a Canadian college are selected for a study. The color of eyes of the students are noted as below in the table we can see. So what is the probability that the color of students' eye chosen randomly starts with letter B? So first of all, let us see what is the total number of students. So total number of students are just the addition of all the number of students having the color of eyes as brown, green, blue, grey and black. So 9 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 11, that will give 38. Now let us find the number of students whose eye color starts with the letter B. So letter B starts the brown and then blue and then black. These are the color of eyes that starts with letter B. So let us add that. So brown will be 9 students, blue will be 6 students and black will be 11 students. So this addition gives 26. Now we have to find the probability that the colors of student eye chosen randomly starts with letter B. So this will be the ratio of the students whose eye color starts with letter B, that is brown, blue and black, divided by the total number of students. Therefore we can say that the required probability here will be equal to 26 by 38. So this is our answer. Let us check the option. So 26 by 38 is option B. Hence we can say that the answer is option B.